Hello guys, so this is Vera Lucia. I'm going to make a video about Exabis ePortfolio, and I'll start by typing the subject here, ePortfolio actually. Using capital letter. So here's my video. I'm going to make the video so as we go along. So, well, in the modal page, I have we go to Exabis ePortfolio, and I'll click My Portfolio Artifacts, and I'm going to add a blog. I actually remembered I had a blog once, so I'm going to add the link here and select the link. The title, I'm going to show you what the title is. Think Tank. So back to my, here. I'm going to write the title here, Think Tank. And I'm going to copy the URL here. There. I'm not going to add any picture or any. I'm going to, because it's about brain and learning and teaching, these are the tags I'm going to add. Submit. And here is the link to my blog. I would also like to share with you something I learned with Dr. Helen Barrett. And that was when she was explaining how to put together our ePortfolios. I actually created a website, and here it is. It's so simple with Google Pages. I didn't do anything, I didn't add anything, but it was really nice to, you go to Google Pages, and it's really user-friendly, self-explanatory, very easy. I'm going to work more on this too. So I can also add this another link to okay, let's say I want to work on pronunciation tips, and so here is the link. Oops, now I have to. Okay. Right. Tag would be pronunciation, and submit. And there it is. I have two links embedded in my Exabis ePortfolio. And thanks for watching.